Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. Have you ever wondered, can you use a credit card on Cash App? Many people try to add their credit card for payments, but are not sure if it really works. In this video, we'll check the official Cash App website and explain if you can use a credit card, what extra fees apply, and the important things you should keep in mind before using it. To get the correct information, first we went to the official Cash App website. There it is clearly written that Cash App accepts all debit and credit cards issued in the US by Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. After that, we opened Cash App and checked. Here, when you go to the linked bank section, you can see that once you add your debit card, the option to add a credit card becomes visible. But if you haven't added your bank account and debit card yet, you may not see the credit card option. Once you add a debit card or bank account, the option to add a credit card will appear. Before using this, you should know that Cash App charges a 3% fee for it. Apart from this, your own credit card fees and charges are separate. Cash App itself charges this 3% fee. So before using it, you need to understand all these things.